Someone asked me the other day if I were to go back in time to some of the places I've worked or times in my life with the tools that I have right now, would I do things differently? And I don't think anyone had ever asked me that question. I took a step back and thought, oh my God. For example, if I were to go back to the law firms that I worked, with the tools that I have right now, my life would be so different. It would be so different. I would be better able to assert my boundaries, give myself love and compassion, applaud myself, celebrate myself, because I used to work so hard. I used to do so many things that I always used to undervalue, and I used to beat myself up so bad until I fell sick. It's so easy to look back and blame people and say, no, my life was miserable because of so and so, because of this and that circumstance. But over time, I've realized, no, it is what I had inside of me that caused me the misery that I had. And once I realized that, I started changing what was inside of me. Just now I was on LinkedIn and I saw an analogy of a storm in a cup. So the analogy was saying that if you were holding a cup full of coffee and someone bumped into you, what would spill would be coffee. But if you had tea, what would spill would be tea. So the analogy was saying what spills over when the cup is shaken is what you have inside of you. With the tools that I have gained over these few years, the person I have become right now, if you took me back to the circumstances that I had then, I would completely make different, very empowering decisions. I would be a very empowered person, and I would never tolerate stress. I would never tolerate anxiety. I would be better able to manage negative self-talk. I would just overall be better able to manage myself and the people around me. I would be happier. I would live my life from ease and flow. It's actually interesting to think about it. Now I would be able to face challenges with a positive rather than a negative mindset. And that makes me happy. And one of the things that I'm committed to doing is to spread this love and this mindset and this thing that I have and share it with more people so that they are better able to also face their life's challenges with a positive rather than a negative mindset. So yeah, I just thought to share that. Thank you for listening. Have a good one.